Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm Violet and I hope you consider subscribing. And if you do enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you a super easy DIY Valentine's home decor piece. What we're going to need first is one bag of these popsicle sticks. Now you can get popsicle sticks anywhere, but the ones I got were from Dollar Tree. And all you're going to do is basically shape a heart with all your popsicle sticks. I use 7 or 14 popsicle sticks to make the size of heart that I'm making. And if you don't feel comfortable just freehanding your heart like I'm doing right here, you can easily draw one out on a piece of paper or even print one out from your computer and then just trace it with your popsicle sticks to form that shape of a heart if you don't feel comfortable just, freehanding it the way I am. But again, what I did was I grabbed 7 popsicle sticks to make one side of my heart. And what I did at the very top of my heart, once I glued all the popsicle sticks together, was I basically just used half a popsicle stick to make that indent point to form my heart. And all you have to do to remove that extra piece, as you can see right here, is just grab a pair of scissors or a box cutter and remove that extra piece on top. And there you have one side of your heart. So what we're going to do is basically just use the same side that I just made as a template to make my second side of my heart in order for it to be symmetrical and all the same size. Again, if you don't feel comfortable doing it this way, just go ahead and print one out or even draw one on a piece of paper. That way you can erase and continue to do it until you're happy with the way and the shape it looks. This heart right here, if you use 7 popsicle sticks on both sides, which a total of 14, will end up making a heart size of approximately about 18 inches in height. Once I was done making this home decor piece for my heart to put in my kitchen as farmhouse style, I thought about making one or even showing you how to make one as a wedding centerpiece because I think this is so pretty, so simple to make, very, very budget friendly, but it does make a huge statement because it is a pretty big size heart. If you don't have TikTok or Instagram, make sure you do go get one or even follow me on it because I am going to show some pictures of how you can transform this heart into a wedding centerpiece. So if you're interested on how I did that, make sure you do follow me on both of those social medias or even on Facebook as well. All the links are down below so you can see the pictures of how I transform this farmhouse heart that I'm using for my home as a home decor piece, but making it into a wedding centerpiece. So once you're done making your heart, basically you're just going to attach both sides together like you saw me here, and then you're just going to start stacking popsicle sticks on top of that shape. And you can stack as many popsicle sticks to make as many layers as you like onto your heart. I would recommend at least 2 layers. What I did was basically about 4 layers of popsicle sticks. And all I'm doing is basically just gluing them right on top of the first layer and just continuing the process until I'm happy with the thickness of my heart. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you so much for everyone that has followed me and subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate it. When I started this channel 2 years ago, actually, I really never thought I was going to grow as fast as I have. At least to me, it's very fast. And I didn't think as many people would enjoy and like the decor pieces that I did make. So I was pleasantly surprised and very motivated to continue since I saw so many people enjoying, you know, the DIYs and the home decor pieces and ideas that I'm sharing with everyone. But if you do have any ideas or anything that you want me to try to make for you, or, you know, use a certain product from not just Dollar Tree but any store, let me know. Send me a private email if you don't want to leave me a message here on YouTube, or follow me on all my social medias, and you can do the same thing over there, because I really do enjoy talking to you guys and, you know, interacting and just finding out and learning more about everyone here and what you guys want to learn, or what ideas you guys have for me to even do here, because we're all here to learn. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for all, you know, everyone's support and everyone that's subscribed and has followed me. And if you haven't yet, I hope you do consider subscribing and follow me on all my social medias, because I truly do enjoy interacting with everyone, and I just enjoy decorating and doing DIYs for everyone as well. So I just wanted to say thank you. We met a huge milestone of reaching 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So thank you so much. And stay tuned for a giveaway. So as soon as I get a package ready and figure out what kind of giveaway I do want to do, I will be doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaways. So stay tuned for that, because it will be happening very soon here on YouTube, and as well as all my other social medias. I'll be announcing it too. So hopefully you guys do subscribe in order for you guys to be able to participate in that as well. And again, thank you so much for everyone that has already subscribed to my channel. So as you can see, I just continue adding every layer with just some hot glue onto this heart. So once you're done adding as many layers as you like, just go ahead and cut off and remove any of those extra pieces on top, and there you have your heart. So what we're going to do after that is, you can easily just leave it like this and add maybe some jute twine or something like that if you want to hang this heart shape on your wall, or even if you just want to lean it onto maybe a bookshelf or something like that, you can leave it as is right here and stop. But I wanted to make a little stand, that way I can place it anywhere I'd like. So what I did was get one of these tags that are wooden pieces of tags from Dollar Tree as well, and I just used it in an angle and added some hot glue, and then placed my heart right on top of that layer of glue that I put, and then I just allowed it to dry. Then I just grabbed some stain and I stained my heart and stand all together. And I just gave it a really light coat. I didn't want it too dark, but I did want it to give it more of a color of that darker tone. And basically this is just preference depending on your style or your home decor colors that you are using. You can leave it natural, the wood popsicle stick color, or you can make it darker, paint it white, or even just spray paint it red would look really pretty as well. So basically right here, this is what your style and your preference comes into play depending on what you want and how the colors you want it to look. So this is the way mine looked once it was all completely done. And I just left it really simple and let the natural woods tone come into play and just look more natural farmhouse style. So I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.